YouTube in 2026 will be so different. I have been on the YouTube for almost 5 years and I have seen a lot. I have seen people coming and going. I have seen people remaining and growing. And I still run multiple YouTube channels making six figures a year. But now the best advice anyone can give you right now at the end of 2025 is to start your own personal channel. And that's what I'm doing. The most money I have made on YouTube comes from faceless automated YouTube channels, from systems using AI, using automation, doing that in high CPM niches, and then linking digital products. So that's what I've been doing on the YouTube. And now I'm coming out from the behind the scenes and starting this a personal channel. And that's the best advice I can give anyone right now who is either on YouTube or about to start the YouTube journey. Start your own personal channel. So we are in this wave of AI technologies. We have seen high retention video editing, highly polished videos, really mind-blowing content. And have you yourself click on the YouTube lately and have seen the video, and after a few seconds you will think, is this human, is this real, or is this AI generated content? So I feel like the line between human creativity and artificial content is getting very blurry, and it's almost like blending in. Is AI taking over? And I think with that fear of AI taking over, we are returning back to humanity. So what's left after we have seen everything on YouTube right now, humanity is left. We are all unique. So God has made you unique. Only you are yourself. Only I am like I am. I'm the only one who is like that. So this trust, returning trust back to the community, raw, unpolished, talking heads content are making comeback on YouTube, and you can see that with the loads of channel examples on YouTube growing rapidly with the very simple videos. And what's common in all of those channels is authenticity. Authenticity makes content. And then if you combine that with some skills, that's where your success comes in. Yes, it's not enough to only be authentic. You need to have some sort of skill set. But I think many people overthink about thinking about the skill set, thinking that they need some technical skills, they need some qualifications, they need to be in some sort of profession. Your skill set is so much more than that. It's your life experience. It's about the things that you have overcome, have seen. And I feel that our generation, my generation, millennials, or even older people, have this skill set without realizing, simply because of our age. And we have gone through the life, and all of us, even simple storytelling is already a skill set. And it's never too late to come on YouTube and start your personal channel. So your message can be very simple as long as it's presented in a clean manner. And it can still be raw, real, authentic, but it meant to serve people. And with this personal channel that I'm starting, I just want to prove that anyone can do that and anyone can start personal channel on YouTube. And if you still want to make money with YouTube automation, go for it and do that. I'm still doing it. I'm not quitting everything. But if you want to succeed on YouTube in 2026, 2027, and so on, do it through your personal channel. And it might not come easy, and I'm definitely stepping out of my comfort zone. I'm not someone who like to enjoy these kind of videos or generally speaking with people, to be honest. But if I can do it, you can do it too. And as long as you come in YouTube with the mentality of serving people, giving out of your knowledge, giving out of your story, your skills, whatever is that, your channel will succeed. And I'm saying that to myself and to you. At the beginning, it might be frustrating and it might be hard, but once you just get into this mentality of serving and treating your audience as your friend, giving that advice that you have as speaking to your friend, your channel will grow as long as you get to connect with the right audience, and it will happen. And it might not happen as quick as you wish, but eventually you will get there. And that's all you need to start your YouTube channel. That's all you need to succeed on YouTube right now and beyond, while we are still riding this wave of AI. And I am definitely coming in and starting this channel with the mindset that it might take me years. It might take me years before YouTube will connect me to the right audience. But I know that the only way how I will fail with this channel is if I will stop producing the content. And by God's grace, one day I will come back and then look on this video and I will say, yeah, that was a history. That was one of my first videos when I was still hopeful to find my right audience, and by now I have done it. And you can definitely do it too. My first personal channel I started in 2022, and there are so many reasons why it failed. And the reason number one was that wasn't me. The person who was on the camera wasn't me. Number one, I overspent the resources that I didn't even had in terms of money, in terms of daily routine and the sleep schedule. I ran with a very little sleep. I had high definition 4K camera. I had a nice clean background at my back studio setup. I had, high quality microphones, everything of that, and everything looked really clean and nice on the frame, on the video itself. But that wasn't me. I was talking about the digital marketing, building funnels, making money online. While at that point, I had a very little success with that. That just simply wasn't me. And I remember to this day, my husband Austin, who's been along this journey with me, um, I remember telling him, look at this YouTuber, Jillian Perkins. I'm gonna overtake her. My channel will gonna be bigger than her, and I will gonna do better. And those unrealistic expectations, seeing someone who has been on YouTube for years and, established the channel and the brand, that I was just gonna come in and sweep in just because my video looks very clean, very professional. Yeah, no. These unrealistic expectations is one of the reasons why so many people start channel and they fail. And they don't fail because of the content that they are putting out. They just fail because they were expecting for the channel to be monetized in so many days, and that they will make so amount of money in time frame that they are expecting, and that's not happening. And they can't see that happening anytime soon, and they just simply stop. So the channel fails not because of the content, but because of lack of commitment and lack of experience on YouTube, lack of knowing how YouTube actually works, and how hard you actually have to work, and how consistent you have to work. And I can say that also about the YouTube automation. Yes, YouTube automation, you can monetize your channel quicker, you can scale up quicker, you can grow quicker, simply because you can put out more content. It's easier to find, reference videos, use the AI to essentially replicate everything that's already working on the YouTube, just putting your own content in high CPM niches. Yes, you can bring up your YouTube channel and make money out of it quicker in YouTube automation than you can do that with the personal channel. Yet, you still need to work hard. You still need to you still need to stay consistent. Have that commitment that I will be putting that at least one video per day. That's our general recommendation. We still run school community where we teach people how to do YouTube automation, how to make money the way how we did, and we know that the systems we are using are working. But even with that, if you are not willing to input effort, stay consistent and commit, and treat your YouTube channel as your business, not just as some side hustle or some hobby, you won't get anywhere. And that is the reason why people are failing. So let me repeat that again to myself and to you. I am not stopping to make content on this YouTube channel. As long as it will take me, let it be years. If it will take me years to connect with that right audience, I'll get there. And so you will, and so will you. So to break it down in some sort of a formula of success for YouTube 2026 and beyond, is long form content. That's number one. Yes, shorts can blow up quickly. You can gain a lot of subscribers and views, but will that be your audience, or will those be your potential customers that you can then, use as your customer base for your digital products, for your courses, for your whatever you want to then expand, because you can't only depend on AdSense earnings. So if you're treating your YouTube channel as your business, you need to think beyond that. And although shorts can give you that visibility, will this audience actually convert? Will they be able to connect first with you, and will they convert later? So I think the success formulas first part is long form content. And then this content should be raw, authentic, and also packed with skills. So right now I'm trying to transfer my skills, my success on YouTube automation into the personal channel. And you are all with me here now. Whoever watches this video, you will be on my journey to see how I will succeed with that. And if you would like to connect with me on my school community, I will leave the link in this video description. Right now, we are teaching them how to do YouTube automation, but eventually we're going to open up modules also about how to start and do your own personal channel, in the same time while I'm doing this one. So you will be able to track my progress in a real time. So I hope to see you in the school community.